My name is Kevin Nicholas Abonce Chavez, but I go by Kevin Abonce. So I come from a immigrant household. I got here when I was 2, and my whole life I haven't really known what kind of opportunities I have here in San Jose. Recruiters actually came to my high school and they shared their experiences as undocumented, having opportunities here, and I saw myself in those recruiters. And after the presentation, kind of asked them questions like what kind of things I could be doing here. In the ALMASS Center, I built a lot of connections, got to know a lot of people, especially from different clubs and different cultures. It's really eye-opening how diverse the college can be. In the Dreamer Research Center, we have a lot of talks of what scholarships we can apply for, and especially the computers. The computers are always accessible with students. There's a lot of events that help me fill out the DREAM application, especially with recent times. The Dreamer Resource Center has provided a lot of activities that let us know our rights that we have accessible to us as students that are undocumented. If they are hesitant, I'd recommend them coming on a tour and we can show them around and how some of their concerns can be alleviated, especially with financial aid. That could be a real problem that I had and other undocumented students may have. It's secure. Information is not going to be disclosed to anyone, so if their concern is privacy, they shouldn't be worried about that either. And any other concerns can be asked in a safe environment, especially in the Dreamer Resource Center, where we have a lot of counselors accessible to all the students. So my future, I kind of hope for transferring to San Jose State, and from San Jose State going into a law school, hopefully becoming an immigration lawyer. I feel like it's one way of giving back to the community of San Jose.